I'm Rocco Reduci. We are in GAPI S.p.A, a market leader in the gaskets market. The company was born in the world of elastomers and then evolved into PTFE gaskets. All the group's production facilities mounted photovoltaic systems, and as far as power quality is concerned, we have identified Energia Europa as our main interlocutor. We installed 4 EPX systems in 2023, which achieved excellent results in terms of energy saving. That is about 6% of the total energy annual consumption, so we decided to continue our path. We have installed a 5th EPX device in 2024 in the Gondoso plant, and now we ordered an additional device that will be installed before the end of the year, also taking advantage of the incentives included in the Energy Transition 5.0 measures. We are now located inside the Palazzolo plant, where we produce and turn the PTFE products. Here, in 2023, we installed a 1600 ampere EPX, and the interesting thing about this system is that it works on both the energy absorbed from the grid and the energy that is produced by our PV system on the roof. This double efficiency is ensuring us a saving percentage of around 6 to 7% on all our electrical consumption.